To some, it's music. To others, it's like opening up a can of wet farts. Whatever the case may be for you, here's a video of all the best YZ450FX clips I got with no music and no BS. Just raw 4-stroke sound. Thanks to GeForce Power Sports for loaning me this bike. I did recently have to return it, which makes me very sad, but if you guys want me to test out more bikes and make more videos like this, be sure to support GeForce next time you're looking for a bike, and let them know I sent you. I think we got that. Try then, that works for me.
Literally first try.
Wasted one.
Yep.
After the video, please head to my website, BeRAD-products.com, where you can find a bunch of different products that I personally have tested and used myself, like the FunnelWeb air filter, SXS skid plate, a bunch of bulletproof designs, protection parts from radiator guards to disc guards, and more. Really high quality Mitas tires, Gelfer brake pads and stainless steel lines, Apex heads, Electron carburetors, and of course some BeRAD merch and apparel there. Every order really helps this channel out and supporting what I do, helping make these videos. So the side-to-side balance gets really tough. car. It's really awkward getting set up for this. Now I'm tired. Barely held on to her.
Nice!
Whether or not you have interest in this 450FX, G-Force Powersports certainly has a bike for you. They're the largest family-owned dealership in Denver and have a huge inventory of Yamaha, KTM, Husqvarna, Suzuki, and Kawasaki motorcycles. It's really rad that their marketing manager and now friend of mine Josh is taking a unique approach and willing to work with creators on projects like this one. My buddy Zach, who's a badass rider and very knowledgeable, also works as a salesman there. He can help you get set up on a bike that suits your needs. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to stop in and say hello. Also, follow them on Instagram and drop a comment. Support a dealership that's putting effort into helping me create useful and exciting content to show all of you. Let them know who sent you when you stop by.